Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook green peas bacon fried rice. Okay, so we need salt, the pepper, soy sauce, green peas, oyster sauce, bacon, eggs, the rice, carrots, garlic. So gonna cook the bacon first because the bacon has so much oil. Okay, so we're gonna cook the bacon first. This one guys, isa tamo proceed. Okay? Okay guys, so the bacon is cooked. Okay, the garlic. The garlic, the carrots, add the rice. The green peas also guys. Soy sauce, black pepper, the oyster sauce, add the kuan guys, the eggs ato sa ilahi ha. Na. Akong tilawan. Okay guys, so ato sa siya takuban guys kadiyot para mo absorb ang mga salt, tarang mga ingredients. Okay guys, so it's done. Our green peas bacon fried rice. It's done. Gonna garnish with green onion. So our green peas bacon fried rice. It's super yummy. It's very easy to make, affordable, and it's very quick and yummy. Okay, it's tasting time. Yummy. green peas, bacon, fried rice is done. Thank you for watching, guys. And then, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack. To my Instagram, D_bro_jack. To my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.